Hello everyone, and today I will share to everyone about how to make CASCARA bread and what percentage of CASCARA flour is the best for making bread. Okay, let's go. In previous video, we made a test to test about which wheat flour protein content is compatible to make bread, and we choose wheat flour have 13%. So we used it wheat flour to make this test. This picture shows us about the processing to make this test. The first one, we need to weigh yeast and water and then mixing them into 15 minutes to prepare for the next step. The next one, we need to weigh wheat flour, cascara flour, and sugar, and then mix with yeast mixture before and mixing in 3 minutes. After that, we fermentation in room temperatures about 60 minutes. After fermentation, we divide into 25 gram per pieces, 2 small pieces, and then we proofing in room temperatures about 60 minutes, and then we baking with the time is 5 minutes and the temperature is 220 Celsius. After that, we cooling in room temperatures and product is bread, and then we can taste and test it. This picture shows us about the final product after we baking the cascara bread, and you can see the difference between we use 1%, 2%, and 3% cascara flour here. This is summary table about we use 1%, 2%, and 3% cascara flour, porosity, air bubble, structure, and taste. And when we see the picture, we can see about the difference between the porosity, air bubble, and structure. You can see the picture is have when we use when we increase the percent of cascara flour, the porosity, air bubble is decreased, and the structure is more harder. And you see the color is more dark, color because this is a cascara flour color. And about the taste, this is very important. About when we use 1%, the structure is okay, but the taste is has a little bit cascara flavor, and we can think this is not have any special. But when we move to 2%, it is good and it is acceptable percent, and we can feel this is a special cascara flavor. But when we move to 3%, the structure is so hard, and we can feel the cascara flavor is so strong, and the taste is not good for most people because it's more bitter and it is so hard for to eat. So I think we can use 2% to make the cascara bread is the best. And I have some question for everyone for this video. So what happens during sensory evaluation when we increase the cascara flour ratio? And why do they happen? And how can we improve them? Just type in the comment and your answer or have any one you want to discussion. Okay? So thank you for everyone for watching and listening my video. So see you next time.